Hey guys, what's up? Just got home, eating some wings I made this morning. Got some Asian zing sauce on it and some ranch in a pot. The kids are eating something else. They're eating pizza rolls and chips. Yep. Just got back home from a Christmas party. Sitting here, about to eat this and go to bed. I'm gonna get up in the morning and go to church.
Mom, look.
You bought that?
Yeah, I got it from the thrift store for $2.
All right, I'm back, y'all. Sorry about that. These wings, I cooked them well done. Woo! But yeah, y'all. Tonight was we had a very interesting night. That's all I'm gonna say. What's that? Okay? Mm-hmm. The kids got some gifts. But my grandkids, they don't know how to use, like, they don't know how to, like, obviously they don't know how to, they know what they like, right? They do that, they like clothes, but the church, right, gave each kid, and it's a lot of kids, okay, in this church. It's like a lot of kids, probably like almost over 100 kids, okay? And they gave all the kids each a chance to give them like a wish list, what they wanted for Christmas. So every year they do this, right? They give kids in the minimum or whatever, they give them $50. You know, that's their limit to get whatever they want with $50. You know. Now some of them gifts I seen tonight, right? Somebody like now my grandkids could have got whatever they wanted. Y'all, I wish I had known what y'all ordered because I would have stopped it. I would be like, no, they don't need no hoodies and they don't need no ski masks. Get something. These kids, they're like, when they was giving the gifts out, I mean, y'all, these boxes that a lot of these kids, you know, they asked and they told them what they wanted. They were ginormous boxes of stuff. One kid had big old headphones. Another kid had a computer. I mean, these kids really took their $50 and used it wisely. I mean, they really did good with it. Real good. My grandkids, I don't know what they was thinking. They got a ski mask and a hoodie. That's really basically it.
At least I got an outfit.
And then they got a Spider-Man outfit that barely fits. You're not going to be able to wear that for a long time because you're growing. That's not going to grow with you. It's not. It's too small. And then my other grandson got supposed to be a whole outfit, but he only gets pants and a ski mask for $50. That's all y'all can come up with? I'm like, why didn't y'all ask for something bigger? I'm not trying to sound choosy, but these clothes that they got that can't fit, they're not going to get no more than about one good wear out of them. And after that, they're not going to be able to fit them no more.
Or did I say out of the good?
I just wish they would have gotten something. If they wanted clothes, which is fine, they could have called me and I would have gave them the correct size. That way y'all could have got a really nice, maybe even more than one outfit for $50 off of Amazon. Y'all could have got at least 2, maybe 3 outfits that actually fit. Here y'all come along with this? Like, I don't know. I'm like, So, they came home with it. Had no choice. They had no choice but to come home with it. So maybe they'll do better next year.
The only thing I really liked it was the Stanley Cup that I bought you.
Yeah,
She
because
took the Stanley Cup and didn't give her.
that's not a Stanley Cup.
But
It's still a nice cup though. But I don't know. I mean, I was seeing all them kids leaving out with these big old boxes of stuff. That's crazy. You know? Hold on, y'all. Alright, I'm back. But they gonna wear it. That light down there? Bring it up. But yeah, give me that cup. Let me show my family the cup. Now, my grandson did get this cup.
Yeah,
It's not a Stanley Cup.
It's your
It's not a
birthday
Stanley Cup, but he got this for my birthday, y'all. Okay. He got me this cup, y'all, for my birthday. It's not a Stanley Cup, but it's still good. It don't have to be no Stanley Cup. This is a nice cup. I'm going to wash this and use it with my water for the night. Yep. Got me a big old cup. But they like their outfit, so let them go ahead and enjoy it. It's cool. They kids. They getting Christmas gift from me next month. Yeah, next month. Yep. Christmas gift for me next month. And I'm not gonna ask them what they want. I'm gonna get what I know they're gonna like. Love. Now, I know what they like. I might give them some clothes, yeah, but they're not getting like all clothes. So yep. I keep thinking tomorrow's Monday. But it's not. I know what it is.
I know I said same.
I keep thinking tomorrow's Monday. But it's Sunday. I'm going to church. We gotta get up early. Hold on, y'all. I'm back. Now I'm smacking because I'm hungry. Yeah, it's some more ranch in there other than that one. Don't like my shirt? I wore this tonight with some leggings and my shoes, my girl shoes. How are ya? Bring my shoes I wore tonight. You took them up? I'll show y'all. Those cute little shoes, ain't no.
You gonna get them?
Letitia talk to you? Huh? Huh?
She didn't talk to me when I got the wrong.
What she say?
She was like, so you didn't order that? You're supposed to talk to
Oh, okay. This chicken is good even though it's well done. It's good. This is how my daughter likes her chicken. Just like this. Almost to nothing. Like the meat is just as hard as the skin. It's cooked. Woo! But it's good. This is how I like my wings to be coming from Wingstop. They never can get it right. I don't like flabby. Like real soft and flabby. What are you doing? What are you doing? I can't say this. Listen, I know there's people all over this world that don't have nothing to eat, and I hope and pray that God do get them something to eat. Okay, but I'm real say the food they served us tonight, y'all. Man. Y'all,
Put it away.
when I say the food was giving,
Where's that? Is there proper juice?
prison.
And you can't
Never been, never will. Pray to God. Yeah. I've heard about prison food, and this was.
Give me some
Come on now. The meatloaf. Let's talk about that. I'll tell y'all about that in another video. Let me get upstairs, okay? I'm gonna tell y'all that this. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat my food, and we're gonna talk later. All my Pepsi gone? Was all my Pepsi gone?
Put the pops up. Why didn't you just sit now?
Is all my Pepsi gone?
No.
Huh? No. Give me one.
I love my boyfriend. I'm just sitting letting me get ice cream.
Put some in the fridge.
He literally sends me money anytime I ask for it. I said, baby, I want ice cream. He said, you want to give me money for it? I said, yeah. I'm going to send it. No, he said he's $12. Ice cream.
Hope you're sharing.
I didn't realize how late it was.
Mm-hmm.
I went on the limit.
It's late. I'm glad too.
I thought it was like 9.
Don't do that. It's not time. It isn't. Ooh, this chicken is good. Ooh. I'll make some chicken salad tomorrow, y'all. I should make it tonight. So it can sit overnight. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Mm-hmm. I'll make chicken salad tonight and we can eat it tomorrow. Something like. She didn't get nothing because they're gonna probably get her something.
No. Oh, why not?
What happened? Y'all. How many pops you putting up? I'm spilling pop all on me. Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. Back. Is that? Yeah, it started recording. And but I will say this, y'all. The only thing that was good, halfway good, that was decent, was the mashed potatoes. That's it. And the bread and butter. That's it. Yeah, I know. They all cracked, ain't they? They don't take them out. I can't boil them. Never mind. Just put everything back up. Hmm. But yeah, that was the only thing that was decent. Now I'm so tired. I'm gonna go get in this bed. Ooh, wait, you turn it off? Huh? All right. Was you still eating?
No, I'm done. I need to
I'm back, y'all. I'm almost done with my chicken.
Hello?
Sorry, I'm not talking much, y'all. I'm just tired. I should have stayed home and let the kids go to church.
I said, is it just family?
For real.
I said, is it just family?
Mm-hmm. I should have stayed home. All right. Yeah, I should have stayed home.
What time you going home? Just call me. If I'm up, I'm gonna answer.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, then I'm trying.
Yep. I should have stayed home and rest. I'm tired. That's why I'm not talking so much right now. Just tired. Yep. Well, then wipe my hands off. All right, guys. I'm sorry. I just not really feeling it. Not you guys. Just period. Just a day. Just so. Oh, I just should have stayed home and got some rest, man. It ain't nothing to do with y'all. I was gonna get on here and talk to y'all regardless. Period. I was gonna get on here and talk to y'all. Period, baby. Cause y'all my family, my extended family.
I'm
Yep.
done.
I got toothpicks, but I feel like going to get that. Oh. Okay.
Are all
So
the clothes separated?
yeah. All right, guys. Whew. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning, and I'm getting ready for church.
Yippee.
Mhm.
Oh God.
All right. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Okay. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe, thumbs up the video, share, keep your post notification. Oh, excuse me, keep your post. Ooh, your post notification buttons on so y'all can get all my videos each and every time. Hit it every time I upload, okay?